Hi, I'm glad you found interesting my technique of quick fashion figure sketches. So let's dive a little deeper. Before we did draw front view and back view of female figure, but often we need to work with side view too. In front view we are constructing all the shapes around vertical line of the vertebral column. But on side view, vertebral column is not direct line. It has a complex bended form. Therefore, in side view, we'll be using the body balance line to build all the shapes around it. A balance line goes vertically from the jugular notch in the middle of the root of the neck to middle point between the feet. And again, we'll be using the same framework to define proportions. Height of the figure we divide into 3 equal parts. As a main measuring unit this time works the circle of the skull brain case. For sketching we need sheet of paper A5, pencil and eraser. Let's start. For beginning, as we did before, we divide place for our figure into 3 equal parts with horizontal lines marking height. Then we draw vertical balance line. Upper third we divide with horizontal line in 2 halves on the level of the shoulders, and each half we divide into quarters. In upper quarter we put circle, brain case of the skull. In lower quarter we draw the circle of the same size as skull circle. It marks lower part of chest cage. Vertical balance line goes through the center of both circles. Then middle third we divide with horizontal line in 2 halves, and upper half we divide into quarters. In lower quarter we put the circle shifted toward back of our figure. Balance line cuts through 1/4 in width of this circle. Under shoulder line from back side of our figure close to the balance line we put small circle, 1/8 in diameter. It marks shoulder joint. Now let's extract female figure from all this geometry. With 2 curves slightly bended forward we join shoulder circle with middle of the skull circle. It is the neck. Then we draw a long smooth line touching 3 lower circles from hip circle up to the neck. This line marks belly and chest. From backside of the chest we draw a curve which makes of all the chest part symmetrical drop-like shape. The same shape we give to hip and belly part. From front side of the hip circle we draw contour of the leg with long smooth curve. It goes to the upper part of lower third knee level, where it crosses the balance line. After crossing it goes to the bottom line to the point little shifted from the balance line. Upper part of leg line is slightly bended forward, lower part is slightly bended backwards. From back side of the hip circle we draw another side of the leg with long smooth curve. It is slightly bended backwards in upper part. On the knee level it is bended forward, repeating knee line, and under knee it forms another bend, directed backwards. Under bottom line we draw foot, balance line crossed in the middle. Then with long smooth S-like curve we draw the back and buttocks. Buttocks part of line goes lower than hip circle. Now it's time to draw the arm. It will be pulled backwards in order not to mix up with the body. We draw it down from the shoulder circle to upper line of middle third. This is elbow level. From elbow level, we draw the forearm to the bottom level of the hip circle, and then we add the palm. Let's draw the breast in the middle of the chest cage, lower jaw. On the head we add some details: ears, eyes in the middle of head, nose, mouth, hair. Now our quick fashion figure sketch is ready. It didn't take much time. And one additional point: when arms are relaxed, elbows are on the level of the back, and palms are close to the front part of the thighs. In next video, we'll try to draw female relaxed standing pose using our standard framework. See you soon. Bye bye.